Hi, Fraser Hay here, and a quick run through some of my books on Amazon to help you in each stage of the entrepreneurial journey, from pre-start to startup, survival, and high growth. Whether it's the purpose-driven economy or pipeline and generating leads on LinkedIn, whether you're embracing AI as part of your career or for driving a new business strategy, whether it's to do with identity, clarity, signal, rhythm, execution or structure, or whether you're actually thinking about changing your 9 to 5 job as part of the jobless revolution, we've got something to offer. For each stage of the entrepreneurial journey, from pre-start, whether you're reinventing your own job wheel, evolving before you get fired and embracing AI, ask Stacks to learn how to write your own AI prompts, or indeed the 7 causes of highly ineffective people to make sure you're not one of the idiots in your company or organization. The PR advantage helps you to get exposure, get seen, get heard, and get paid to tell your story, and also how to present a TED Talk and secure a TED Talk in different locations. Whether it's start selling online, on site, or on the phone, writing AI prompts for each stage of the entrepreneurial journey, we have got lots to share with you. More importantly, as you progress through your entrepreneurial journey, as you begin to scale and grow your business, there are other areas that we can help you as well. How to start your entrepreneurial journey and think about key things such as your routes to market, your revenue streams, what it is that you're going to be offering your intended audience, and business networking, how to remember and present your elevator pitch and to generate leads, prospects and referrals every time you attend an event. You'll also want to know and learn about MarTech, marketing technology, and AI, and how to simplify your marketing strategy and automate workflows. Whether it's Facebook groups or Pinterest, or for managing your finances to get out and stay out of debt, we have many different titles to help you, including preparing for GDPR compliance, and of course, if you are pursuing and considering self-employment, how to generate multiple revenue streams working from home. Resilience, referral marketing, live video streaming, even tourism marketing, and what I shared from a holiday that I had in Turkey, and how I observed different people using low cost and no cost marketing budgets to generate leads, sales and revenue. Social media marketing, and a 3-minute marketing brainstorm with over 180 different low cost tactics to help you generate leads, inquiries, prospects, sales and referrals. And the 3-minute marketing audit, just to stop you in your tracks and ask where you're at and what it is you really want. Discover why your marketing isn't working and that things have changed to embrace AI. This is just a sneak peek of just some of the resources that we've got in the ISU OS, the It Stacks Up operating system, to help you to start and grow your business one objective at a time. For more information, visit www.itstacksup.com, or of course you can check out my LinkedIn profile. Thank you.